Hey, it's Scarlett. Thanks for joining me on today's episode of Disney with Scarlett. In this episode, I'm over at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're at the DVC area, which is called the Kidani Village. I'll be taking you on a room tour today. We'll be looking at a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2-story, 2-balcony grand villa. Have you stayed at the Kidani Village Resort before? Leave a comment below. If you're looking for more room tours to enjoy, please check out my playlists. Did you know it's free to tour the DVC villas? Let's take a look. Welcome home.
Welcome home. Come on in.
Thank you so much.
So this is our 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom grand villa.
3-bedroom, 4-bathroom grand
Extra
villa.
bath over here on the side.
Very nice.
And then the main living space is down here on the ground floor.
Hello, how are you? Okay, great. This is fantastic. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa, and it's 2 stories. Let's take a look. Isn't that nice? Katrina, do you know what the square footage is of this particular
It is
room?
just under 2,100 square feet.
Very nice.
And outside we have the Sunset Savannah.
So if you didn't hear, this is called the Sunset Savannah. That's a really large balcony too. Better go take a look over here, see if we can see some more animals. I saw some giraffe earlier today. Okay, very nice views up here. And a 2-story balcony. Wow, that is terrific. Even the balcony is 2-story.
Yep.
That's really neat. Oh, thank you, wonderful.
Got the main bedroom over here.
I love how everything's so beautifully themed. Okay, let's take a look at our main bedroom. Well, here's our hidden Mickey. And we always love to check out the headboard, so I'll zoom in on that for you. Simba. Really beautiful. And so this would be a pull-out couch here for queen size?
Yep, this is a pull-out couch. We also have one upstairs.
Fantastic. Let's take a quick look at the kitchen. Let's It's a full-size refrigerator, everything you might need, and a really nice big table here with a fantastic view, of course. Really nice.
Hidden Mickeys.
Hidden Mickeys? Did I miss them? Oh boy. Thanks, Katrina. Look at that. It might actually be Simba too. Looks like a little half Simba, half Mickey. I didn't. Katrina just pointed out another one here under the television. That is Simba for sure. Look at the mane. Oh, that's terrific. And just to point out, the outlets also have the USBs. Okay. Shall we go upstairs and have a look?
Sure, head on up. I'll be right behind you. We do have a washer and dryer.
Excellent. That's good to see. Always so thoughtful with the different things they put on the walls and the artwork.
Oh, yeah.
There's so much to see. Just sometimes takes you a little while to notice some of the hidden details in some of the art. That's beautiful. Ceiling fan, that's always good. These are beautiful headboards and some hanging art. I like how there's a balcony up here, second floor. I like how they have this little area here too. You've got a couple families, you can have your private time. Oh, this is nice. So it's another mirror image of that side over there. Really great. Oh, there we go. Yeah, all kinds of wonderful details. Take the time to look. And let's have a look over here. You know, the views at all of the rooms and resorts are wonderful, but this Savannah view with the animals that come around regularly, I was talking to the caretaker and they sort of swap them out and they go in and out of their barn and they come out for treats, and so they do wander around. So if you stay here, you'll see some animals. Some people think, you know, oh, you know, they're not there, but they do come and they go and they wander around quite a bit. Oh, that's good to know too. Oh, and a nice little map here. Wonderful. Oh, did I forget? Oh, this was a bathroom in here. A full bath. That's the extra full bath. Well, there certainly is a lot of space here, Katrina. Thank you so much for your room tour today. This is just perfect. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have suggestions for something you'd like to see, leave me a message here or on one of my social media pages. Thanks for watching. See you next time.